friends. So today I am sitting down to show you how I've been using the NUELE Hair Serum. I am about to do my blowout for the week, or at least for the next couple of days. So I'm going to go in. My hair is about 70–60% dry, and I'm going to brush it. I haven't prepped it with anything. All I did today was just wash and condition my hair, so no hair mask is needed. But this is my leave-in treatment. I always use some kind of leave-in conditioner, some kind of heat protectant if I'm going to put any heat on my hair, and this is the one that I've been using. So I'm going to start with 1 to 2 drops. Typically I'd go in with 1, and it's really slow to kind of get it out because sometimes this thing takes a second. And then I rub it in and kind of go all throughout my hair. I try to disperse it evenly on my hands so that you get that like all over effect and it doesn't just cling into one place. And I'm gonna go and prep with my other hair products, and then we're gonna go through and I will show you what it looks like to style it and then the finished product. I've gone in, all my products been added. I've gone back through and brushed everything out just to make sure everything has been evenly distributed. And I'm gonna go through and do it kind of in layers, but you'll see, and I'll show you once we get like midway through, that along with this, because it is a serum and like a hair protectant, it adds to the shine of your hair. When you have a lighter color hair, I have color treated hair, so this is red on top of several years of blonde. It's a little bit harder to get that shine, but you can really see it like as we're going through. And you can see it right there, that like extra bit of shine that goes with my color. Oh, I love it. It's one of my favorite things about using the serum. So we are officially dry and ready to go. I like to keep it really simple on the first day of my hair because I know that I'm going to use dry shampoo and other things that are going to kind of build up over the next couple of days. So I don't add anything else other than like one more, I'd say even like half a drop maybe, because I just want it to be kind of on the ends of my hair. And I'm going to rub this in again, and then I'm going to start with the back of my hair and just work on softening my edges just to keep everything really healthy, to keep my split ends from going anywhere crazy, to really seal it all in. And there we go.